Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, March 14th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold versus the dollar, I'm still very bullish overall. I still think this is a 1-2, and I still think we're in the subdivisions of a wave 3 right now. If this really is a wave 3, then this thing has got a long ways to go to the upside, probably at least the $2,500 area minimum. But that doesn't mean it's just going to go up in one straight line. There should be plenty of pullbacks on shorter time frames. Taking it down to the weekly, I still think this is a 1. I still think it's a 2. I still think it's a subdivision wave 3. If it is a wave 3, then it's just going to keep on going. We're actually past the 78% at this point, so I still think even if it's not, it's probably at least going to go up to the 100%. So I personally would still be looking for longs on shorter time frames. I think all the dollar pairs are actually in a wave 3, and if that's true, then this is going to trend up probably for the next several weeks, maybe even several months. Going down to the daily time frame, I mean, we definitely are a little overextended on this current wave. It still looks to me like a 1, 2, 3. This move down probably is a 4. It probably needs to make a wave 5. Then maybe we'll get a bigger pullback and then a bigger move up for like a 1, 2 subdivision. Or we do have to be aware if this is a wave 3 of wave 3 on the higher time frames like I suspect it is, it may look like it's almost over, but instead it just keeps on making higher highs, higher lows, and just keeps on trending up. So until I get some sort of a break of structure to the downside, probably on around the 4 hour time frame, I definitely am bullish. Going down to that 4 hour time frame, really for me the last structure level is actually probably right here, which we still haven't broken structure to the downside, and actually it still looks like a 1, 2, 3 pattern, bounced out to 23%. Then we have an impulsive move up, and on the 1 hour it looks like it made another little 1, 2, 3. So I am definitely still bullish until the higher time frame tell me otherwise, or until we get a significant break of structure to the downside. Either or, we definitely do not have it yet. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, looks kind of like to me a big 1, 2, 3 pattern, Fibonacci bounce. Then it looks like an uptrend. Most likely this is a crescent. Most likely this is just going to continue to make those higher highs, higher lows. So like I said, unless the 4 hour time frame gives me that significant break of structure and holds below that structure, then I definitely personally would be doing nothing but looking for longs in this uptrend. Pretty much anybody that's been looking for the longs over the last couple of weeks has probably been doing really, really good trading gold. So I don't really see any reason to think it's over. I actually think this is a big old wave 3 of wave 3 on the much longer time frames. If that's the case, then this may look like it may look like it's almost over on the daily, but it may just continue to make those higher highs, higher lows, and just keep on trending up. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is up here in the card above. And don't forget to check out my new website and my membership on my website. The link for that is to the left of this video down here. So happy trading and good luck.